want you to imagine this. You are sitting at your desk, comfortably working from home, earning a salary that puts you in the top 10% of earners out there. You are not just making ends meet, you are living your best life. Sounds good, right? If you want this to be you, then you need to learn a high income skill. High income skills are the skills that will allow you to command a high salary and live the life you've always dreamed of. They are the skills that are in demand by businesses across all industries, and they are the skills that will give you the freedom to choose the work you want to do and the lifestyle you want to live. In today's video, we will explore 5 of the most sought after skills that can transform your career and financial future. So let's go. The first skill is public speaking and communication. Public speaking and communication are the skills of clearly and confidently conveying your thoughts and ideas to others. This includes both speaking as well as non-verbal cues like body language, tone of voice, and eye contact. These skills are important in many different professions, from teachers and lawyers to managers and entrepreneurs. If you can communicate effectively, you can build relationships with clients and colleagues, negotiate deals, and present your ideas more persuasively. Here are some specific ways people make money with public speaking. Number 1 is keynote speakers. Keynote speakers are paid to give speeches at events such as conferences, conventions, and seminars. They typically speak on a topic that they are expert in. Number 2 is motivational speakers. Motivational speakers give speeches that are designed to inspire and motivate others. They often speak to groups of employees, students, or athletes. Number 3 is life coaches. Life coaches help people achieve personal and professional goals. They often use public speaking as a way to share their insights and advice with others. Number 4 is trainers. Trainers give speeches to teach others new skills. They often work in corporate settings or for professional organizations. Professionals in any field with strong public speaking and communication skills often earn high salaries. But you need to be an authority in your chosen field or industry so people can trust you enough to share your knowledge by inviting you to give speeches. Don't worry if you're a complete beginner and you feel like no one knows you, because you can start building authority right after watching this video. Just start by talking about what you do on social media platforms. Join communities and genuinely help others when they have questions about what you know. Volunteer to help in causes you care about, and then share your experiences on social media platforms. If you are consistent and strategic about it, you will get your first public speaking gig within a year. To improve your public speaking and communication skills, there are several things you can do. First, practice your delivery. Rehearse your speeches and presentations and get feedback from others. You can also join a public speaking group or take a course. Secondly, expand your vocabulary. The more words you know, the better you'll be able to express yourself. Read books and articles and use a dictionary or online resource to learn new words. Finally, actively listen to others. Pay attention to what they are saying and try to understand their point of view. This will help you to communicate more effectively with them. By mastering public speaking and communication, you can set yourself up for greater success in both your personal and professional life. Skill number 2 is video editing and animation. In today's digital landscape, video editing and animation have emerged as highly sought after skills that can open doors to a rewarding and lucrative career. By combining creativity, technical expertise, and problem-solving abilities, video editors and animators can create compelling and impactful content that resonates with diverse audiences. The demand for video editing and animation professionals is projected to continue to grow in the coming years, driven by the increasing popularity of video content across various industries including advertising, film, education, and corporate training. Companies are increasingly recognizing the importance of video in their marketing and communication strategies, leading to a surge in demand for skilled professionals who can create engaging and visually appealing content. While the basics of video editing can be learned relatively quickly, mastering the craft requires dedication, practice, and a willingness to explore advanced techniques and software programs. Familiarizing oneself with industry standard software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Adobe After Effects is a crucial step in the learning process. Professionals with strong video editing and animation skills can pursue a variety of career paths, ranging from freelance work to in-house positions at production companies, marketing agencies, and educational institutions. And the third skill on the list is writing. Writing is the skill of putting your thoughts and ideas into words. It involves using language clearly and in a way that engages the reader. There are many different types of writing, including creative writing, copywriting, technical writing, and business writing. Writing skills are important in many different jobs. For example, journalists and authors use writing to inform and entertain people. Marketing specialists Companies use writing to promote products and services. Lawyers use writing to create legal documents. People who are good at writing can make a lot of money, and the demand for these professionals is expected to grow in the coming years. Here are some specific ways you can make money through writing. Number one is freelance writing. Freelance writers work for themselves and set their own rates. They can find job through online job boards, networking with other writers, or contacting businesses directly. Number two, we have book writing. Book writers can write fiction, non-fiction, or self-help books. They can traditionally publish their books through a publisher, or they can self-publish their books. Number three is copywriting. Copywriters write persuasive text that is used to sell products or services. They may write website copy, ad copy, or marketing materials. Number four is technical writing. Technical writers write manuals, instructions, and other documents that explain how to use products or services. Number five is grant writing. Grant writers write proposals to secure funding for non-profits, businesses, and other organizations. Number six is ghostwriter. Ghostwriters write books, articles, or other types of content for other people, but their names are not credited as the authors. There are several things you could do to improve your writing skills. One is to read a lot. This will help you develop your vocabulary and learn how to use language effectively. You should also practice writing regularly. The more you write, the better you become at it. Finally, you should seek feedback from others on your writing. This will help you to identify areas where you can improve. Strong writing skills are in high demand in many professions, and you can use them to showcase your expertise and attract lucrative opportunities. The first skill here is data analytics. In today's world where data is everywhere, understanding and using data effectively has become a highly sought after skill. Data analytics are the processes of examining and interpreting data to extract meaningful information and make informed decisions. Data analysts and analytics professionals are in high demand across various industries, from finance to healthcare to technology. Businesses rely on data to make decisions about everything from product development to marketing campaigns. If you have a strong analytical mind and an interest in problem solving, data analytics could be an ideal career path for you. With the right skills and training, you can unlock a world of opportunities and achieve financial success in this ever-evolving field. The demand for data analytics professionals is projected to grow by 33% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. If you are interested in a career in data analytics, here are some steps you can take to get started. Number one, develop your analytical skills. Take courses in statistics, mathematics, and computer science. Number two, learn data analytics tools. Familiarize yourself with tools like Python, R, and SQL. Number three, gain hands-on experience. Look for internships or volunteer opportunities to apply your skills in a real-world setting. By working hard and staying committed, you can establish a thriving career in data analytics, leading to a prosperous financial life. And the last skill on the list is software development. Technology is all around us and it's only becoming more important. That's why software development is high in demand. These skills are needed to create website applications and software that we rely on every day. If you're interested in technology and problem solving, software development could be the perfect career path for you. These skills are in demand all over the world, and of course, they pay well too. An interesting fact is that the demand for software developers are expected to grow by 22% from 2020 to 2030. To get started in software development, you will need to learn programming languages that are in high demand. A good choice will be Java, C#, Python, and JavaScript. You will also need to learn some software development frameworks like React, Angular, Spring Boot, and the likes, depending on the type of applications you will like to build. I have videos on this channel that gives you the roadmap to becoming a successful software developer. In it, you will find how to get started, recommended courses you need to take, and how to land your first job. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful career in coding and software development. There are different ways to pick up these high income skills. You can take an online course, attend boot camps, do internships, learn from a coach or mentor, among others. No matter how you choose to learn, the important thing is to start now. Acquiring high income skills is like an investment in your future. They can open doors to many different job opportunities and help you earn a good living. The first step to getting a high income job is to take action today. Start learning a high income skill, and before you know it, you could be working your dream job. That's all I have for now. Until next time, cheers.